So last weekend, Wicknell bought a 160 million rand mansion in Clifton, Cape Town. Vanoda convert my dollars, it's $9.7 million. So the house is on the borders of Table Mountain and they get to enjoy the Table Bay and Robben Island views. In Bayasho, so it's a 4-bedroomed house. So the master suite comes with a living area, dressing room, and also a bathroom. It has its own bathroom. And from the master suite, you can actually see the Table Mountain view. And then there are 3 other in-suite bedrooms. Aiwa imba yacho zvazvinhu ndofunga munyazozvionera mega pictures. So it has a gym, it has also a games area. It's a penthouse with like Ndambotaura, it's a 4-bedroomed house with like 5.5 bathrooms plus 2 garages as well. So penthouse in an elevator and it has like 4 floors. Imba yacho iyoyo ndopa unoona kuti aiwa wedre kuti abahambe nderenyu mimi musina mari vanhu vane mari chaivo vari kutenga dzimba naWicknell ava vamwe vachidzingwa iyo vari kunotenga mamansion. Of late, Wicknell has been going to South Africa a lot of times. I think kuti aona zvine need yekuti aite imba ikoko kuitira kuti asangonobhuke all the time paanoenda. Aiwa mari iripo and agonawo kuchoose Cape Town because Cape Town ndo like a holiday resort for a lot of people. Joburg, yes, but Joburg kunoite Cape Town ndo ine zvinhu zvakawanda. People visit Cape Town a lot of times and anogona kutoichinja imba yacho kutoita for business kana asipo zvake. I don't think Wicknell would love that idea. I don't see him as munhu anoda kuita mahustles ekurana a B&B or something like a holiday home or something like that. I don't think so. But when I was in Cape Town in 2024, November, December, I went there for a holiday. But what I can say is imba yataigara yange yakanaka kudarika this one ya Wicknell, Camps Bay. We had a very nice 5-bedroom apartment yange yakanaka. It's more than ish ya Wicknell. And I'm just thinking kuti saka imba yacho kuitengesa ya Tantiri, how much was it? How much will it cost? Because ndachitofunga kuti imba ya Wicknell is going to be, but it's not all that. Probably if he changes zvimwe zviri mumba, because I think my bedrooms, they need to change to make it like zvimwe zvacho it's too old. I mean, I don't know. Zvimwe zvakanaka, zvimwe unmen, I don't know. But he needs to change a lot of things pa imba yake ndo zvandaona. But for 160 million nedzimwe dzimba dzatinombona muJoburg, dzimwe dzandinombona hangu vanhu vachitengesa, amen, it's just ndowanzona Let's Prop In. I love Let's Prop In. Imba iyi haisi kunyatsondiitira giving for 160. Kungoti Cape Town properties are very expensive, very very expensive, because Cape Town investor vanhu vane mari from outside the country. Okay, andopedza nyaya yangu yekuti the owner of the place yatantiri was not South African. I don't know, because patikabuda isusu aitonzi ndiye ari kuuya for holiday. It was towards like December, Christmas and the likes. Achitonzi ndiye ari kuuya spend the whole of December, the rest of December ari mumba make imo macho. So it's an idea yekuti unogona kuwana mari out of it. I don't want to disclose how much we were paying for that, but it was, it was a bit pricey but it was a joint. We were like, it was a 5-bedroomed house. So we were like 10 people who contributed. So you can imagine we're just like 10 people. So yeah, we went for the best. It was really nice and we really enjoyed our Cape Town holiday. But then, to be honest, this house for 160 million, I mean, I don't know. My choices are no siana. But the outward, like Kunze and the likes, it's a 10 out of 10. Mukati ndo mune like ndofunga nyaya kuti pamwe achachinja onyatsoita to suit iye muridzi wemba yacho, achanyatsozonyatso-chinja. Vanoona ma-properties, I think you will side with me kuti imba iyi for 160 he was going to get something. Kungoti Cape Town iri expensive chete ndo zvingoripo, but he could have gotten something more nicer and more like something bigger as well. So let me just finish off nema comments ari panapa hanzi vaise vari Cape Town vawirwa neharassment endai munoungana paimba yenyika iyo. Aiwa yakutoitwa imba yenyika, hanzi vanhu vese vanodii, hanzi munongonoungana ipapo makutoziva kuti kwairi munongonotsvaga direction mungonoungana dhudhula ikada kunetsa munongoenda ipapo. Hanzi zvekuti 30 June ndezvenyu musina mari, vamwe vari kutoya ikoko 30 June havakuto but unonzwa achiti ed huchi meno pakandichipa mapo. But anyway, hanzi vamwe unowana achiti ed huchi asi vachienda kuSouth Africa unotenga maproperties vachinotenga zvinhu. It's for convenience at the end of the day. Do you know kuti kuCape Town ukada kugara 1 week chaiyo on accommodation you can end up watobhadhara kana 100,000 some places. I'm telling you, for accommodation only. Tarisai muone kuti kunodhura sei kugara iye anoenda nemhuri yake maona. So kana aine imba the better. So maona manje, I mean, I don't know.